Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to add another phone to find my iPhone and your iPhone or iPad. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you want to add any other phone to find my iPhones, let's see how can you do that. Very first, you have to try to enable find my iPhone from your iPhone settings. Open your iPhone settings app, tap on your profile here or your Apple ID here. You just have to tap on find my, select find my iPhone and enable this setting from here. Once I have enabled, go back from here, open your Find My app, and here just tap on this people option here. Once you open on your people option, just tap on Start Sharing Location. And here you have to simply add the phone number or the mail with which you want to share your location. For example, I'm going to enter a mail. For example, I have entered this mail here. Just tap on this plus option and then select the time for which you want to share your location. So if you want to send your location only for 1 hour, so you can select 1 hour or until end of the day, or you can also select indefinitely if you want to share your location with that person of all the time. You just have to select the third option, but I'm going to select the first option from here, and then your location will be shared to the person or the for which you have entered the mail. So once you have entered the mail, the person will be added to your people section or to my Find My an iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.